Hello, this is Susan Woods of Susan Woods Nonprofit Solutions. Thank you for your time. I'm continuing with the series Starting 501c3 Nonprofits, and we're talking about step 4 of 20. There are 20 steps to starting a 501c3 nonprofit organization that I've identified, and we're on step number 4 of 20, which is write the mission. The mission statement explains how the 501c3 nonprofit organization will realize the vision in the long run. The vision, as you may recall from step number 3, is the broad statement of what you plan to complete or achieve through your nonprofit organization in the future. So again, the mission statement explains how the 501c3 nonprofit organization will realize the vision in the long run. Some people struggle with writing the mission statement. So if you struggle with writing the mission statement, just imagine the word by at the end of the vision statement. For example, if the vision statement is end homelessness, then think about how of the word by, end homelessness by. And in that way, you can create the mission. So then the mission statement can be build tiny home communities one state at a time. So again, the vision statement is end homelessness by building tiny home communities one state at a time. So step 4 of the 20 steps to starting a 501c3 nonprofit organization is write the mission. Thank you for your time and have a great day.